jerk salmon and ting.
So we're back again with another video, and today we're doing jerk chicken wings. So as you can see, I've got all my stuff in the pot. Cider vinegar there because I'm going to use that. Spices, ginger, garlic, onion, scotch bonnet, and all the rest of it. And that's how it is. Blender. It looks like dodo. Spread it on the chicken. Jeez, it makes a lot of fire. Right, and now, I'm laying down the parchment paper and the foil for my salmon. I also did, well, you'll see in the video, I did jerk salmon as well. It looks ever so pretty. Alright, so one salmon. Oh, one salmon, lay that again. And another salmon, boom. And then I think I'm this way about to put the lime in the middle. So yeah, like I was saying, in the jerk seasoning is scallions, red onion, scotch bonnet, seeds out, ginger, garlic, and then you got your thyme, allspice, all of that. Just mix it up nice, you know what I mean? So yeah, allspice, cinnamon, salt, pepper, paprika, you name it. And then to make the sauce the brown colour, we put a bit of browning in there, and I put a little bit of soy sauce in there as well. Make it taste sweet, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and I put the limes in between the salmon just to make it, just to split it. Oh yeah, and then I sprinkle a little bit of dry Jamaican jerk seasoning over the top as well. Makes it sweet though. But yeah, and now you're going to see me wrap it up. I do believe. Come on, Misha, hurry up. I ain't going to go all day. Oh, there's the time. But yeah, if anyone wants the recipe, just drop me an email and then, or drop me a comment and I'll leave it in the description because I'm not going to do it without being asked. Can't be asked, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm wrapping it up. So yeah, look at that. So now I'm going to go now and, like I always say, enjoy the rest of the video. Ciao, ciao. Oh no, I lied. I'm back. Because there's my open salmon. Look at that. And then I leave it open like that for it to darken a bit. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. We are back. We are back. Never was on our faces. No fears. On our faces. Look how shiny my face is.
So we're going to do it in that, what you call it?
Thumbnail.
Yeah.
Thumbprint though, you know. So yeah, as I said in the intro, today we've got some jerk chicken wings, some jerk salmon. I've made a mango salsa. Again, we'll go back to the Jamaican guys going on there. And I've also done some mac and cheese. So yeah, let's dig in.
Oh, it's awesome.
I'm sweating. Look at that though, look. Moist though still.
Nice, isn't it?
Mmm.
Absolutely.
And you'll see in the lead up to this
Ravenous.
that the jerk marinade was homemade. And it's not spicy either. No. Even though it's got 3 Scotch bonnets in it.
Yeah.
I meant to have 5, but I was like, I do 3.
In what? In the chicken?
In the marinade.
Oh no. How many you put in?
3.
Misa's always also made mac. Jeez.
I also said that.
That is well nice.
What is?
Put some avocado, shall I even bother?
Yeah, I do want some here.
So, I saw you cut, look, when you cut this, you cut it down, so. And I just twist it, yeah? I've been landing with it, bloody landing with it. See, but I'm going to plant this back, I saw this Misha that you planted it. Just put that out.
That is good. Careful, because it's poisonous.
I'm not eating that bit, I was just eating it.
Let's try this.
This is Misha's mac and cheese. It's not strawberry. I mean wet. It's just how it should be.
Now so isn't it?
Fucking beautiful, mate. So, Misha, me and your dad, obviously, because you know that we're going on a walk tonight, yeah? And then we're walking around Burton, where we live, And you can take a bit of it out if you want.
Yeah.
But anyway, where we live, yeah, and then it's so, where we went is so scenic. Is that what we say?
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, God, it's so beautiful, but why on earth? All you see now, you know, when you go out, you know, all you see is houses after house after house.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Why have they built so many houses, do you think?
Do you know what the problem is though? They're building so many houses, we're not putting people in them.
Really?
Mm. And I think that's all over the country. Like, there needs to be, like, why is there so many houses but so many homeless on the street?
Yeah.
How's that work?
It's like with weed, it's meant to help with cancer, the pain and all that kind of thing. And with weed, I think they should legalise that, to be honest, I think.
Just legalize it.
Mm.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If it's doing some good, I mean, like, nevertheless, people can take it anyway. Me, personally, I've never, ever taken drugs.
Mm.
Because it's just not my thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I mate, didn't joke, but I didn't like it. I tried to have a puff of weed, and it's the worst thing ever for me. Do you know what I mean? Oh, it's just, like I say, people do. I mean, at the end of the day, alcohol is also a drug. Yeah? You get addicted to that, can't you? Addiction, you get addicted to fags, tablets, sweets, chocolate, everything, really. You're fine, but sometimes, when people have an addiction, they go from one addiction to another. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? I mean, we're not experts on anything like that. We'll just give you our humble opinion. That's all we're doing. I mean, I think people, you can do whatever you want to do and do it. It's up to you. You know what I mean? But that's sometimes we see the devastation of alcohol, drugs, anything really, isn't it? It's quite like I say, people sometimes, like, I've seen people who mix alcohol and never smoked, and they're off the alcohol and they're smoking. Yeah. But I replace someone with another. It's what I'm saying. Addiction is a crazy, crazy thing. You can be addicted to gambling, food, alcohol, drugs, work. There's so many things that, yeah. It's like work, it's true, isn't it? That's what I was just talking about today, and this guy, he was saying he couldn't remember anything from, like, 2019 with 1 month to the same month because of 2020. Yeah, but because of what was he doing? Drugs. Okay. But when he was saying his family got around him, we answered that. But he thought he had a hold of it, yeah? And he was like, his brother got around him, that was his big thing for him because his brother was alive, and he was like, his brother got to do with what's got to be here. So he can't remember from years to year, yeah? So, went to rehab, came out, started working, started doing business. Did you get a goal about it? Yeah, he always got it. But he said he always classed himself as a great, do you know what? That's where I was. Yeah. Oh, is that because he could go back to it? No, he's kind of what? You know, I don't believe it, like, kind of, not really believe it, but when you're a drug addict, like, that's what you are. Yeah. But what he did was started his own business. So now he took to work. Yeah. But every time something went wrong or whatever in his life, it's like you start up something new. With work was there. So you replace one addiction with another, but this one's healthy, but then again, it can be unhealthy as well. Yeah. I mean, I have to say to you, I'm addicted to shoes. Alright. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, but it's the same thing, Misha. Yeah, but if you have my shoes, well, they're not going to wear. You know what I mean? So I'm addicted to shoes, because, shopping for you, just shopping, same thing really. You know what I mean? And, Misha is, she's like, Mum, I need shoes, you need to do it. And I say to her, do what I want. I'm buying it. But, to my event, it's not like I want shoes, over. Because that's not what the shoes. Hey, got some crazy stuff. Yeah. You know what I mean? But I like nice things. Because sometimes you can't afford these things, but because you own so much, you use a credit card. We've all been there, we've all got our vices somewhere, haven't we? I haven't got rice. You know. You put shit in. What is it? Famous. Not really. Why is it?
I mean, Misha can eat. Like, we'll do this any given day, and Misha will eat. She loves food that much, but she'll eat, so she's so stuffed. She knows she's full, but she just stuffs herself, don't you?
But the thing is,
And then afterwards, she's like, Mum, I can't breathe. I'm like,
but that's the thing. I wouldn't say I'm addicted to it as it takes over my life.
no, it's not taking over your life. But you don't know when you fall, though, do you?
I do.
What you said? What? What?
Of course you know when you fall.
Misha, I know. Yeah, but me, I don't get to that stage where my body's full of chocolate.
My hair's sticking out, my bandana low.
But the other day, Misha was, no, you're not gonna put that picture. But like when we were eating the fufu night, oh my God, I got up and then my belly was like this.
Yeah, I had to cut that bit out.
Eh?
I had to cut that bit out.
Yeah, she had to cut that bit out because it's like, what? Yeah, but I enjoyed it so much. But like when I ate the
I think I see.
yeah, I know. But when I ate the ackee sausage, that was different because I was so used to that food. I wasn't. Do you know what I mean? Bulky.
See, that's the difference, so Trish.
Yeah.
I'm always bulky.
Why are you saying that, Misha? You're full of shit. Eh?
They're not. The viewers aren't blind.
Misha, you're not bulky, beautiful, fam.
And again, I never said I wasn't. But
that was nice, though. Still.
so you were telling me, yeah, when you eat, you eat,
Yeah.
And then you run it out on full.
Yeah.
And then you stop.
Yeah, but I hate to. You know that when you feel busted, when your belly's. What do you say? Belly busting.
Like you bloated.
No, I can't do it.
Really?
No.
See, I can eat. So my belly will let me see full now. Or sometimes my mouth gets tired before my belly's full.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So then I'm like, but then I start eating, then I'm eating or whatever, and I'm full, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
But not like, my body's like, Misha, you're full now, stop. But say if I've still got like that much on my plate, yeah? I have to finish it.
Yeah.
In my mind, I'm like, I can't eat that.
Yeah, but why?
It's just gonna go in the
Why?
bin.
Can you remember what we said when you were younger?
Excuse me.
Can you remember? And that's
All
why.
the starving children all over the world.
Yeah.
And you're wasting food. And now I think it's just something that's, like, I think we mentioned this before though.
Yeah.
Now it's just something that's ingrained. And it's just like,
Yeah, but that.
I mean, it's not even that it's ingrained like that. It's just like I'm ingrained to not leave food on my plate.
Yeah.
Because then, I know I get pissed off at myself as well. So you know, if I get peckish later on in the night, I literally think to myself, do you know what? If I didn't throw that in, if I ate my dinner now, I won't feel peckish.
Yeah.
Or if I didn't throw it away and just left it, I could have ate it now. Do you know what I mean? Like, so I just get mad and frustrated with myself.
Yeah, but you don't really eat it now, do you? Really? Well, you used to. I don't see you doing that now as much.
I do, there though. Especially lately. Like, because what is it for the last 3 weeks? It's our like third, fourth week. Where we've been doing, so we do our mukbangs every Monday and Wednesday. So what time is it now? It's 8:30.
And that's quite late.
So yeah, that's late for us to eat, but then it's just like, it just fits for what we do. So we work all day.
Yeah.
To be fair, we've had quite a relaxed, lazy day today.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
But we work, I'd probably say roughly, so I get up, so I up in the morning, I take Georgie to work, and then I take my brother to school, and then, because I'm already up, Jazazai, and he's always running late every minute. Misha, we take him to school. So I drop him off at school, and then I'm back about 8:30, aren't I?
And then we start work.
And then we start work. And then we just work until whenever, and if Georgie needs picking up, I'll go and pick her up.
And then we'll carry on, don't we?
Yeah, and then we'll come back and carry on, and then depending on who's cooking, normally, while I go and pick her up from work, that's when I run to the shop, innit, and go and get some extra bits that we need.
Yeah.
And Mum will even start cooking then if she wants to cook, or I'll come home and then I'll start doing it.
Yeah.
So, but that's why we eat so late, so it's nothing to do with that. But
Yeah, but it's not always like that, Misha. But anyway.
It's not.
Yeah,
but that's why I don't really eat, that's what I'm saying. That's why I don't really eat in the night time.
Yeah.
Not to say that I ain't got a box of chocolate quality treats in my room though. I put my
She's
room
come
last
out
night.
the pantry.
I put my room last night, yeah? Georgie said to me, she's like, yeah, all the chocolate's your fat shit. Well, most of the chocolates are nearly gone.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not
I
gonna
can't
lie.
hear that. I mean,
I probably had about 30 of them today.
Really?
Time of the month.
Do you think if stop blaming time of the month? What about the rest of the month?
I don't eat chocolate any time all the time.
I'm a sweet person, but you know. But anyway, Misha was saying we're busy from 8:45 ish.
Yeah, we have breakfast and that.
We have breakfast. Yeah,
don't we?
I mean, like so, and then I'll get straight onto my writing. Misha will do editing, and then we've got TikToks to do. Misha's got editing to do on our videos, and then we've got, as we told you last night, the other night we've got a song coming out. I can't tell you about it because Misha won't let me, but that's coming out as well soon, and we hope that you will love it. But now I've started walking 10,000 steps a day. But
And it wasn't
a lot more.
yeah, that's what I was going to say to you as well with regards to that. It wasn't 100,000 steps, it's 1 million.
Is that what it was?
It's 1 million steps.
Is it? So how much you have to do
A month.
A month? 1 million a month?
Yeah, it was 1 million over 3 months, yeah.
How much would I have to do then?
Bear. Shall we work it out?
Yeah.
For the people. So let's see.
Yeah, but I'm going in the morning with you.
Let's
We're going in the afternoon with that. I'll do that.
Let's see. Roughly how many days are in a month? 30. You need to do 33,000 a day.
I could do that, Misha. I could do that.
We'd be done.
What would
You 33, that's every single day.
Yeah, but I go in the morning and then night.
Alright. Well, that means you've got to do 15,000 in the morning.
Yeah, which we always used to do.
18,000, right? No, we didn't. We did used to do up to about 13.
No, we used to do 15.
No,
Remember that time we did 15?
Trish, do you want me to put it up right now?
Yeah.
I think we did that one time.
But, yeah, anyway, it doesn't matter. Like I say, I do 10,000 steps there. I'm going to take it up to 20 because I'm going to go with Misha in the morning.
Shame.
My husband at night.
No, she keeps on saying this. She's probably said it to me about 3 times since she come home from this one today.
Yeah, but I want her to do it. I want her to feel that, you know why? The reason I'm doing it as well is because of my high blood pressure. And that, walking and stuff, will get that right down the stairs instead of going up the stairs. Let me tell you something, when I leave this world here, you know, I've got too much to do. You know what I mean? Too much to do. Misha is typing out the fantasy book, one of our fantasy books, Rabbit.
Oh my god, that day I did 58 steps.
Where? 58?
Yeah, but I think that was 58 with my phone on me. So remember, these are the steps that I do with my phone on me.
Okay, can I finish what I was saying then?
I suppose.
Rabbit, and it's a fantasy book, and the main characters are Rabbit
15,000
and Fred. And I hope that when that comes out, you will go and buy that book for your Uncle Babies.
15,000.
And hopefully, fingers crossed, what we want is for all the books to go in cinemas or on your TV. So, we're going to say,
17,000. I did 19,000 steps there.
See ya. Bye. I've got a broken nail there, so shit.
Now you put your chicken hands in your hair. Yeah, what she said. Oh, like, subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification every time I post a new video.
What do you want? What? So you want to start right on me now?
You got really excited about your opinion. No, give her one more. But why not make sure I love you more?